Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you truck owners out there. We're taking a close look at the Gspscn Silver Tire Inflator, and why it's considered the best tire pump for trucks on the market. So, let's dive right in. Meet the Gspscn Silver Tire Inflator, a heavy-duty double-cylinder air compressor pump that's designed to handle the toughest of tasks. Whether you own a truck, SUV, or any other vehicle with large tires, this inflator has got you covered. Before we jump into the demo, let's quickly run through its key features and specifications. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an impressive airflow of 70 L per minute, this inflator can inflate a standard vehicle tire in just 1.5 minutes. It's equipped with rubber feet to keep it firmly in place during operation, reducing vibration and noise. The dual cylinders compress air simultaneously, making it powerful, efficient, and quiet. It's not just for trucks. It's perfect for SUVs, vans, RVs, and even smaller vehicles like cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. This portable inflator is a fantastic travel companion, ensuring your tires stay in optimal condition during road trips. Now, let's see this beast in action. We'll start by demonstrating how quickly it inflates a truck tire. As you can see, it effortlessly inflated this truck tire in no time. That's the power of those dual cylinders at work. And speaking of power, let's compare the noise level of the Gspscn inflator to some other units. We measured the noise level at 75 decibels, which is surprisingly quiet for an inflator of this caliber. Now, one of the standout features of this inflator is its portability. It comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Simply pack it up, and you're ready for your next adventure. So, to sum it up, the Gspscn Silver Tire Inflator is the best tire pump for trucks and a must-have for any vehicle owner. Its fast inflation, stability technology, and versatility make it a fantastic addition to your automotive toolkit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Gspscn Silver Tire Inflator, we've provided a link in the description below for your convenience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.